when should you use a case study? Case studies are often used in the exploratory phase of research to gather qualitative data. They can also be used to create support or refute a hypothesis and guide further research. For instance, a marketing professional might conduct a case study to discover why a viral ad campaign was so successful. They can then take any lesson they glean from the case study and apply them to future marketing efforts. A psychologist could use a case study to form a theory about the best way to treat a specific disorder. That theory could then be tested later through a large scale controlled study. So basically, case studies are a good way to explore real world topic in depth, illustrate a point, discuss the implications or meaning of an event, or compare the experiences of different individuals. A trainer may use case study to bring to life what would otherwise be an abstract series of recommended action steps or to spark a conversation about how to respond in a specific scenario. Similarly, professors can use case studies to highlight key concepts from a lecture and pose questions to test students' understanding of the material. So, case study research design basically has evolved over the past few years as a useful tool for investigating trends and specific situations in many scientific disciplines. It has been especially used in social science, psychology, anthropology, and ecology. This method of study is especially useful for trying to test theoretical models by using them in real world situations. For example, if an anthropologist were to live amongst a remote tribe, while observation might produce no quantitative data, they are still useful to science. Basically, a case study is in a depth study of particular situation rather than a sweeping statistical survey. It is a method used to narrow down a very broad field of research into one easily researchable topic. While it will not answer a question completely, it will give some indications and allow further elaboration and hypothesis creation on a subject. The case study research design is also useful for testing whether scientific theories and models actually work in the real world. You may come out with a great computer model for describing how the ecosystem of a rock pool works, but it is only by trying it out on a real life pool that you can see if it is realistic situation or stimulation. For psychologists, anthropologists, and social science scientists, they have been regarded as a valid method of research for many years. Scientists are sometimes guilty of becoming bogged down in the general picture, and it is sometimes important to understand specific cases and ensure a more holistic approach to research.